Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your TikTok account using the custom app method with BitSocial. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Account section. Then click on the Connect Account button. Here, you will see that different types of social media platforms are available. Now select TikTok. Then click on the Custom App button under TikTok. To connect your TikTok account with BitSocial, you will need both the app key and app secret. So first navigate to the TikTok developers page and click on the developer portal, then select Manage Apps option. Next, you will need to create an app. So click the Connect an App button. Then select the app owner and enter a name for your app. Next, click on the Confirm button to proceed. Congratulations! You have successfully created an app on TikTok developers. Here you will see two options, Production and Sandbox. For demonstration purposes, we will use the Sandbox option. Under the Basic Information settings, upload an icon for your app. Then select a category and provide a short description for your app. Next, you will also need to provide the URLs for your app's terms of service and privacy policy. After that, select Web as the platform type and enter your web/desktop URL. Next, you will need to add products to your app. Click on the Add Products button and choose Login Kit, Share Kit, and Content Posting API as the products for your app. After adding the products, you will see a section under Login Kit where you will need to input your site's redirect URI. So, go back to the TikTok account section. Then copy the redirect URI and paste it under the Login Kit section. After that, activate the Direct Post option. Next, you will need to include scopes to define the permissions for your app in the Scope section. For this demonstration, we will add all the available scopes from the pop-up. If you are creating the app in Sandbox mode, the next step is to add target users. So go to the Sandbox settings section, then click on the Add Account button, and complete the username adding process. Now click on the Apply Changes button to save and update your app settings. After successfully configuring your app, go to the App Details section. Then copy the client key and paste it into the app key field. Next, copy the client secret and paste it into the app secret field. Then click on the Add button. After successfully adding, click on the Connect button. Your TikTok account will be displayed in the pop-up. Next, click on the Save button. You will now see that your TikTok account was successfully connected in the BitSocial account section. Now you can easily use the WP Auto Post, WP Post Schedules, and Share Now feature for your WordPress posts. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.